G'day, my name's Brad, I'm from Pietra Bianca and we're down at the Sydney HIA Home Show at Darling Harbour. And I'd like this opportunity to show you some of our baths and basins that we've got on display here today. This one's our Coco, it's in the ivory colour and it's a big size bath so you can easily fit two comfortably. It's 1800 by 11, a metre 60. It's comes with a matching pop-up drain. This one doesn't have an overflow, but the overflow can come optional. And over here we've got some matching basins, so when you buy a bath from us you can get it in the one batch. We'll match the basin the same colour and something to go along with your bathroom. Here we have the autumn bath, which is a very popular bath, and this is in our black terrazzo colour. Comes in 7 different colours. Here's our colours, and once again we'll match up a basin. Comes with a matching drain, overflow. And it's a small compact bath. It's a 1500. It's very deep and you can immerse yourself very easily in it. And over here we have our popular Onda bath. This one's been designed by a well-known designer in Milan and it's exclusive to us. It's a big bath, you can easily fit 2 again. Once again, comes with a matching pop-up drain, overflow. Got a matching basin for this one as well, and also a matching pedestal basin, which we don't have here, but it's available on our website. And here's our beautiful array of pedestal basins. You've got your pure white, you've got your colours, anything can come in any colour, it's all mix and match. So it's all up to your taste. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our stand. If you get a chance, come down and see us at the Sydney HIA Home Show at Darling Harbour, or look us up on our website at www.pietrabianca.com.au.